more on evaluating circular functions. I think that some of you are kind of complaining we are solving very simple problems. In many classrooms, in many places around the world, usually teachers, when they discuss topics in math or in physics or in science, they begin with very simple examples. So something like this is a topic in physics, electricity. And this is the circuit design of an ordinary Christmas tree. But when it comes to major exams, major quizzes, this is what your teachers would require you to do. Solve this circuit. We don't want this to happen in math. Okay, so before we go on, before we move forward with our discussions in circular functions, let us stay longer in the topic of evaluating circular functions. There are 3 steps to evaluating circular functions. Given T, our first task is to look for the reference angle, because the reference angle will point you to the corresponding point for that angle. The next step is to find the quadrant that contains your angle. Okay, so our understanding is an angle is in a certain quadrant if the terminal side is in that quadrant or when the end point of the arc of the unit circle is in that quadrant. And we are interested to know what quadrant contains your angle because the sign, positive or negative, the sign of your circular functions depends on the quadrant that contains your angle. And then after that, we will combine the two. We will evaluate the function at the reference angle and then we will affix the sign of the function depending on the quadrant. This is going to be a silent movie. I will not talk. I will just write the solution.